The easiest car buying experience I've ever had. It was very laid back. Wasn't the same, old school car business type stuff. It was just a very unique, very fresh approach to buying a car. It wasn't a 6-hour process. It took me kind of an hour to figure out what cars I wanted, and that was kind of on me. And there was so many cars to choose from. It took me a little while to figure out what I wanted, but once I decided, figuring out the numbers was real simple. The paperwork was real simple. Joey made it very, very, very easy, and it was very quick. Man, I can't tell you how many cars I've bought in my years of living, and without a doubt, hands down, bar none, this was the simplest, most enjoyable, unbelievable car buying experience I have ever had. It's unbelievable. I would recommend it to anybody and everybody. I've been in the car business for about 20 years, actually a little bit over 20 years, and in all of my years of being in the business, there's a reason why I came to Autoline, because this is the type of experience that everybody should have when they're in the market to buy a car.